Hey guys, Eric here, and it's been a while since I've done a video for the regular Problem Solve series, but today I'm going to do a video. It's going to be a little different though. We're going to be doing a product unboxing and a product review as well, once I get some use out of the product, and should be fun. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so the product that I'm looking at today is this Milwaukee M12 Fuel, and they call it an installation tool. So this is a combination type tool. It's supposed to replace impact driver, drill, screwdriver, electric screwdriver, and it's got a bunch of other stuff. It says it's called the, you can read that, 4-in-1 dedicated solutions. I got this from Amazon. If you get the full kit with all the attachments, which we're going to go over, as well as the carrying case, battery, and charging charger, it retails for $172 on Amazon, I believe. And if you get it without the battery and charger, it's $145, and it still comes with all the attachments, and I believe the carrying case as well. Either way, I'll have affiliate links down in the description below, and you can take a look at this. So I saw someone using one of these, and it just made me want it. I typically build a ton of furniture, and I do, as you know, a lot of DIY projects around the house and stuff like that, and sometimes it's a pain to carry a drill, an impact driver, an electric screwdriver, all that stuff, you know, up and down stairs or various areas of the house while you're handling different projects and stuff like that. So I thought this might be a good idea. We're gonna unbox it, see what's in the box, what's included with the kit, and then we're gonna charge it up and see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm really excited about this tool. It does a lot of cool things, and it does them very well, at least from what I saw. Someone recommended it to me, and I couldn't say no due to what they said. So let's take a look. It's got a really nice carrying case. Nothing left in the box there. This is nice. It's nice carrying case. Doesn't feel cheap. It's got a nice big zipper on it. The Milwaukee Fuel series tend to be pretty good tools in my experience, and yeah, this is my first Milwaukee Fuel tool that I've owned personally, but I have used a lot of them in the past for past projects. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, this is really cool. Check this out. Everything's got its spot, and we're going to take out the stuff. The tool's not very big, which is good because it's supposed to fit into compact places, as well as have a good amount of let me adjust here, as well as have a good amount of power. So even though it's compact, you're not sacrificing power. All right, so let's take a look. First thing, let's take out the attachments, and then we'll look at these individually. Close that up. All right, so the first attachment we have here, let me just cut the plastic off. Okay. This looks like an impact driver attachment. A fairly low profile, which is good because sometimes you need to get into some really tight places. And we have a hexagonal input right here to take hexagonal bits. Yeah, we'll play with that and we'll fit that on the tool. Looks like an impact driver attachment. Let's open this one up. This looks like the drill. This is the drill chuck attachment. Just twist to tighten it up and loosen it up. Yeah, drill chuck. It's great. What else do we have here? So this looks like another hex bit. This is probably the electric screwdriver. Yeah, this is the electric screwdriver attachment. Looks good right there. And what do we have here? Looks like this is an angled an angled attachment here, so you can actually do a 90-degree angle, and it looks like these other attachments will actually fit right on here as well. So you can do any attachment at a 90-degree angle. That can be extremely helpful for fitting into tight areas, tight spots, assembling drawers, putting up light fixtures where they're close to the ceiling, all that kind of stuff. All right, now that we've looked at the attachments, let's take more stuff out of here. What else do we got? Looks like we have, yeah, 2 batteries. That's awesome. You can charge one while you're using one. Always good to have 2 batteries. If I didn't get 2 batteries in here, I thought it only came with 1. Comes with 2. If I didn't have 2 batteries, I was gonna buy a separate battery. This is compatible with the Fuel M12 charging system. The battery is used in a bunch of other different tools, which is good. This is a 2 amp hour battery, 2 amp hour batteries, and we'll put those over there. Okay, bunch of plastic bags here. Let's clear these out of the way. Okay, and let's pull out, there's the charging dock here. Plug, battery just fits right inside, right like that, charges it up. And we have a battery charge indicator. Yeah, battery charge indicator lights right there. And do we have a battery charge indicator on the battery itself? It does not look like it, but that's fine, it's not a big deal. Okay, so battery charger, and now let's pull out the actual tool itself. Alright, here's the actual tool. Pretty light, actually. I like that. It's got the 2 speeds up here. You switch, you can adjust the speeds for drilling or for impact driving or screwdriver. Here's the reverse direction button right there. And we have a clip right here so you can put it on your belt. Really light, compact tool. Really like that. The grip feels really nice. Battery looks like it just slots right in the handle there. Alright, so it does look like we have a battery charge indicator right there on the side of the tool, and we have an LED right here, and we can just press that button to change the direction. Tool sounds really good. It's got a brushless motor up there, as most of the Fuel products, if not all of the Fuel products, have. It's got this area right here, which I'm not sure what that's for. Perhaps we should look at the manual and see what that is. I was trying to see if a battery slotted in there. Let me take a look. Let's take a look at the manual and find out what that part is for. Okay, so it looks like this slot here is for magnetic storage, according to the manual, so that's really good. I like this. I like how this feels in my hand. It's not as heavy as my impact driver. It's not as heavy as my drill, and it feels really good. All right, let's see how the attachments go on, and then we'll fully charge it up, and then we'll play with it. All right, first attachment is going to be the drill chuck, and we're just going to slide it on here. There we go. And that's it. So you pull this up. There's a little thing here. I don't know if you can see that. You press that down to slide it on and off, just like an impact driver, basically. And put that right on there. There we go. And we have the drill chuck. Change direction. Nice. Nice drill chuck. Good speed on it. Feels like it's got a lot of good torque as well. And you also have the adjustment here on the side for drilling and using it as a screwdriver. Alright, that's the drill chuck. Here's the impact driver attachment. It's right there. And we will slide that on. Very good. Like that, just like the drill chuck. This feels really good in the hand. I can't get over that. It's really comfortable to hold, and it feels like I have a lot of control. I really like that. It doesn't feel like a cheap tool. It feels very, very durable and hardy. Alright, next attachment. Alright, the next attachment we have here is the screwdriver attachment. Let me make sure that's what they call it in here. I don't want to call things the wrong name. what are they calling it? They're calling it, oh, offset attachment. Makes sense because it is offset, you know, it's raised up a little bit. Yeah, offset attachment, and we'll put that in right there. Very cool. Very cool. Just like the other ones. Adjust the speed. It feels like this has a good amount of power, good amount of torque to it. Really like that. It's the offset tool. Last but not least, we have the right angle tool here, and this can be put in any which way, I would assume. Yeah, there we go. Any which way. And then you can further attach like the drill chuck to this. There you go. Now you have a right angle drill bit. I don't know why you'd want it bent this way. That's really awkward to use, but sometimes when you're doing stuff under the counter, weird places, you need to get into some tight spots, and a right angle tool like this can be a lifesaver. So that's really awesome. It's super cool that everything fits right into this case just perfectly. Time to charge it up, and then we're gonna use it and see how it works. Alright guys, it's been a few days and I've been using the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Installation tool, and I have to say I cannot recommend this enough. This tool is awesome. It's small, it's compact, yet it's very, very powerful. So I used it to install some outside string lights, and I'll put a picture somewhere in this video of just me doing that so you get a better idea of what I mean when I say outside string lights. So I used it to do that, and that involved drilling into an aluminum patio cover, drilling into some stucco, using masonry bits for various things, and then also using the impact driver aspect of it for mounting and stuff like that. I also used it to do some automotive stuff, installing RGB LEDs in various places in one of our cars. And I have to say that if you can only get one power tool for your household for basic DIY things, or for just home projects and stuff like that, this I think is the tool to get, which is awesome. I have a plug-in drill that's very, very powerful that I normally use when I need extra power, and I've also got a battery powered Ryobi drill, and I've got impact drivers and whatnot. But I have to say, I think I'm going to transition to mostly using this for most jobs. It's just much more convenient. It's nice that it comes with the 2 batteries, and I haven't charged it a single time. So I charged it initially, and then I haven't charged it a single time, and I've done multiple hours of work with it at this point, and I'm down to halfway, and it just lost that halfway light. So I had 3 lights there still, but now I'm down to 2 on my first battery. So I still got another whole battery in here that's fully charged. And you know, I just love this. I can't say enough good things about this. I'm very happy with it. I will probably make an update video for it as I get more experience and use this. I am bringing it with me to Arizona when we go back there, because I am gonna do some work on the Megacade and some work on the house using this. And I can't wait to do it. I'm very excited to continue using this. Love this tool. As I mentioned before, there's an affiliate link in the description below, or in the pinned comment below. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, maybe both places. But if you're interested in this tool, I highly, highly recommend it. I believe I mentioned it before, it's $172 on Amazon right now, and that gives you the charger, 2 batteries, and all the attachments, as well as this really nice carrying case to keep it all organized. And it's also got plenty of extra room in it as well if you want to put a bit set in there. And Yeah, it's really good. You can also get it a little bit cheaper if you get it without the battery, without the extra battery and without the charger. If you've already got the M12 system and you're looking for another tool to add to it, this is compatible with the M12 system, hence the M12 Fuel. Anyway, I just don't see a downside to it. I really love, one thing I do want to mention is at first, you know, I thought this little portion here in front was just kind of like a style thing, but I can say that after having to use it and for extra stability to be able to hold the front and apply pressure that way, even though that's not exactly what this is for, just to be able to do that and getting the added stability for that has been extremely helpful. So I do like that it has this front portion here. Anyway, can't stop raving about it. I haven't found any negatives about it yet. I don't think it's as powerful as my plug-in drill, but so far it's done a great job at basically replacing that drill in a project where I would have had to break it out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll make an update video. Highly recommend this though, as I keep saying. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I did a lot of research before I purchased this, so I got a lot of knowledge. So if there's any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to post below. I try to answer all comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me for this video, and thank you for joining me for another problem solved.